pandemic. Alam mo, ang Pilipinas, in my paningin ko, we have been, sa runway tayo, nagpa-take off na, pero hindi pa talaga tayo umangat. Meron sana tayong golden opportunity because of the leadership of our economic advisors, Dominguez. Medyo umangat na tayo and we were improving pati yung rating natin sa credit rating natin is BBB plus na sana tayo. Ngayon nag-minus kasi nag-pandemic. Sayang lang. Ayaw ko kung it's part of God's plan. But itong tumama sa atin, this will remain with us for the longest time. Huwag din yung isipin na kung matapos yan. Learn to live with it, with COVID. Kasi matagal pa pati itong maraming patay, maraming tinamaan ng COVID. In Mindanao, nagpatong na naman. Microbe, what can we do? Ang opposition, they think that we invented COVID. Tayo, pinapalabas nila, tayo may kasalanan ng COVID na to. So, yun ang nila. Yan ang pinapalabas nila. Well, anyway, it's really an issue sa election, whether valid or not. But we will remain true sa ating buhay.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.